Hello guys, good morning. So today we decided to go here at Walmart to check if we can pick up some good Hot Wheels, and I can already see one here. Oh, nice. There's also a Pagani Utopia here, so we're starting hot right now. Let's check this one. It's a Cadillac, and then there's a Lotus as well here. We're gonna try to scan and see what we can pick up. I can see a Mazda too. I hope that this one is a super treasure hunt. Let's see. Apparently, it's just a regular one. I was just double checking it. So at this Walmart, they're putting all the main lines like back to each other. So we're gonna scan these main lines here and see what we can pick up aside from the Bugatti, the Mazda, and the Pagani Utopia. I hope that we can come up with another one. There's another rack of main lines here on the left side of this thing. Let's see if we can find some treasure hunts here.
Attention Walmart shoppers. Are you or someone you know feeling sick? Our pharmacists now provide same-day diagnostic testing and prescription treatment for strep throat, so you can feel better faster.
I decided to leave the Mazda behind, so I'm gonna take these three: one Pagani Utopia, one Cadillac, and then the Bugatti, of course. And then we're gonna check their premium Hot Wheels and then some Porsche stuff as well. But I don't know if there's something here that interests me. I don't even see a chase. I don't even see a treasure hunt or super treasure hunt. I think it's really hard to find them right now.